Hi, this is Dr. Wells, and we're going to talk about what an argument is. Um, Being able to understand what an argument is and isn't is at the very core of this course. We'll be working on it the entire semester. We'll have to understand an argument as it is different from a fallacy, informal fallacy, and formal fallacy. And we'll have to understand what an argument is, what forms of arguments there are, namely deductive and inductive. So here what I'm going to do is give us a very short and hopefully simple definition of what, or example of what an argument is. So let's say it's raining outside, and I'm going to walk outside. So if I say it's raining outside, that's true, but it's not an argument. Or if I say when I go outside, I'm going to get wet, that's not an argument either. That's just a statement or conclusion or claim, as we sometimes call it. But if I say it's raining outside, therefore, when I go outside, I will get wet, that's an argument. So an argument is really simple. It's just relating one set of facts or reasons to a conclusion. And arguments can be weak or strong, and they can violate rules or not violate rules. But this is essentially what the entire course is going to be about. And once we have that understood very well, you should do quite well in the class. Thanks.